Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes. Imagine waking up in a cozy, tiny house, surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the mountains, the crisp morning air, the gentle sound of birds singing, and the warmth of a cup of coffee on the wooden porch. This is the perfect escape from the noise of the world, a place where nature and simplicity come together in perfect harmony. Join us on this journey into the heart of tranquility. As the sun sets behind the mountains, the tiny house glows warmly under a blanket of stars. The cool breeze whispers through the trees, and the soft flicker of candlelight dances on the wooden walls. Inside, there's nothing but stillness, a place to unwind, reflect, and dream. A life in the mountains isn't about luxury. It's about finding comfort in simplicity, where every moment feels like a peaceful retreat. high above the world, where the clouds kiss the mountaintops, a tiny house stands as a sanctuary of peace. The air is pure, the view endless, and life slows down to the rhythm of nature. The whisper of the wind through the trees, and the sight of rolling hills in the distance. This is home. A space where minimalism meets magic, reminding us that true beauty lies in the simplest things. Close your eyes and listen. The gentle rustling of leaves, the distant call of an eagle, and the soft murmur of a mountain stream. Here, in this tiny house nestled among the trees, every sound tells a story of peace. No honking cars, no crowded streets, just the harmony of nature surrounding a home built for stillness. A place where life slows down and every breath feels lighter. Snow blankets the mountain peaks, and a warm fire crackles inside the tiny house. Wrapped in a soft blanket with a hot cup of tea, the world outside feels like a dream. The mountain air is crisp, the trees stand tall under the weight of fresh snow, and silence fills the space like a comforting melody. A winter retreat, where warmth isn't just in the fire, but in the soul of this peaceful home. Away from the rush of city life, this tiny house in the mountains offers something rare. True freedom. No schedules, no noise, just the endless sky above and the earth below. It's more than just a house. It's a way of living. A life where every sunrise feels like a gift, and every sunset a reminder that peace is not found in things, but in moments. Welcome to a life less ordinary. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature